About a 52-inch slant nose deck, 3200s HD commercial engine and Donaldson air filter, huge wheels and tires, split dual reservoirs, so each transmission has its own separate oil, simple deck lift system. Bam. A really good grass disbursement. I'm hearing really good things on these things as far as the way they cut. These are on sale right now. They are, I believe this thing's $46.99, which is crazy. We got 0-48 months on this thing. And yeah, y'all come 3-year full warranty. Y'all come get it. 623 North Main, or we'll bring it to you. We got a bunch of hot shotters just itching to deliver these mowers. If you need financing, send us your name, address, phone number, and your credit score. We'll shoot you an application, get you fixed up. I got 10